Hariam children, this is exercise number 1.1. First sum. Find the minors and cofactors of all the elements of the following determinants. This symbol denotes determinant. The first sum is 5, 0, 20, minus 1. We are naming the determinant as A. We have to find out the minor of the given 4 elements. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. So this location, minor of 5, M11, first row, first column. It is M11. Minor will be denoted by the letter M. Now, minor of 5. Minor of 5, M11. 5 is located here. Leave off this row and column. The remaining element is minus 1. That is your answer. Minor of 20. 20 is here. Leave off the row and column where 20 is present. Remaining answer is 0. That is minor of 20. Minor of 0. 0 is located in second row first column. That is why I have written M21. So 0 is here. Leave off this row and column. Remaining element is 20. So minor of 0 is 20. Minor of minus 1. Minus 1 is located in second row second column. So leave off this row and column where the element is present. Remaining element is 5. So minor is over. Next we are going to find out the cofactor of the particular elements. Cofactor will be given by the formula Aij is equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j Mij. Mij, the minor of the particular element. From the above solution you will substitute here in this sum. Now cofactor of 5, the first element, which is located in first row first column. So I have mentioned A11. Formula is Aij. So A11. Now minus 1 whole to the power 1 plus 1. I plus j is 1 plus 1. Mij, first row first column. It is minus 1. So you have to substitute minus 1. Minus 1 whole to the power 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 1 into minus 1 it is plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Next element, cofactor of 20. 20 is the second element where it is located in A12, first row, second column. Minus 1 whole to the power 1 plus 2 into Mij. M12 is 0. So substitute 0. 0 into something, answer is 0. Next, cofactor of 0. 0 is located in second row first column. Minus 1 whole to the power 2 plus 1 into 20. M21 is 20. 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus 1 whole to the power 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 20, answer is minus 20. Cofactor of minus 1, last element. It is located in second row second column. Minus 1 whole to the power I plus j is 2 plus 2 into M22 is 5. 2 plus 2 is 4. So minus 1 whole to the power 4, any even number present on the power. If you simplify, you will get the answer in positive. So 1 into 5, answer is 5. That is all about the first sum. Now let us move to the second sum. Second sum, it is a 3 by 3 matrix. 1 minus 3 2, 4 minus 1 2, 3 5 2. I am taking the given determinant as A. Minor of 1. You have to find the answer for each element. Okay. So minor of 1. M11. 1 is present in first row first column. Leave off the row and leave off the column. Remaining you will be getting a 2 by 2 matrix like this. Minus 1 2 5 2. You have to simplify this determinant. Now how to simplify this determinant? First start from this element. Minus 1 into across. Minus 1 into 2 you will get minus 2. And these two elements you have to multiply. First this minus 1 and 2 you have to multiply. Secondly you have to multiply 5 and 2. Okay. Before multiplying 5 and 2 you have to put a minus sign. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. So put a minus sign. 5 2s are 10. minus 2 and minus 10 signs are same, so you have to add and put the greater number sign. Answer is minus 12. See for the second one, minus 3. Minus 3 is located in first row second column. First row second column. Leave off this column and this row. What is the remaining? 4, 2, 3, 2. Take and write the determinant. It is a 2 by 2 determinant. Now you have to multiply from the top. 4 2s are 8. Before multiplying these two, put a minus sign. 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Minor of next element 2. 2 is here. So M13, it is located in first row third column, equal to first row third column. Is it or not? So leave off that row and column. What is the remaining? 4 minus 1, 3, 5. This is equal to 4 5s are 20. Put a minus sign. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Already one minus is here. Minus into minus will become plus. 3 1 is 3. 20 plus 3, 23. Next, minor of 4. Next element. Next element is 4. So minor of 4. M second row first column. What should I do here? 4. I will leave this row and this column. What will be the remaining? Minus 3 2 5 2. See here, minus 3 2 5 2. Again minus 3 into 2 minus 6 minus, already you have to put one minus here. 5 2s are 10. Minus 6 and minus 10 will give you minus 16. Next one, minor of minus 1. Leave off this row and this column. What will be the remaining? 1 2 3 2. 1 2 3 2. So 1 into 2 is 2 minus 3 2s are 6. Signs are different, so you have to subtract. If you subtract, you will get minus 4. Next element 2. 2. For this 2, leave off this row and this column, remaining 1 minus 3 3 5. 1 minus 3 3 5. 1 5 is 5. Minus, already one minus will be there. Minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9. 5 plus 9 is 14. Similarly for the remaining elements also. 3. I have taken 3. Leave off this row and column, remaining minus 3 2 minus 1 2. Minus 3 2 minus 1 2. 3 2s are minus 6. Already one minus will be there. Minus into minus plus 1 2 is 2. Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Next one, minor of 5. So this column and this row will go off. 1 2 4 2 will be there. 1 2 4 2. 1 2 is 2. 4 2s are minus 8. 2 minus 6 is, 2 minus 8 is minus 6. And the last one, 2. So this row and this column will go off. 1 minus 3, 4 minus 1. 1 minus 3, 4 minus 1. 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Already one minus will be there. Minus into minus will get plus. 4 3s are 12. So 12 minus 1 is 11. That is all about the minus. Now the cofactor, same is the type. Cofactor, you have to write the formula. Aij is equal to minus 1 whole to the power I plus j into mij. The first element, first element cofactor of 1. First element here is 1. Second element is minus 3, then 2. Then you have to find for 4, minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 2. Substitutions are all similar as for in first sum. The same type we are going to here. Do here. Cofactor of 1. A11 equal to minus 1 I plus j, first row first column, isn't it? So 1 plus 1 mij. Mij is m11. The value for m11 is 12, minus 12 here. So I have substituted minus 12. So minus 1 whole squared is 1. 1 into minus 12 is minus 12. Cofactor of minus 3. Substitute here. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. When you get an odd number, what you have to do? You will have minus sign. So minus 1 into 2 minus 2. A13. See, minus 2 into A13. 2 into A13. Cofactor of 2 is A13, which is equal to minus 1 whole to the power 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Minus 1 whole to the power 4. When you get an even number, you will have the sign as positive. So 1 into 23 is 23. Next, minus 1 whole to the power 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3, it is an odd number. You will be getting an answer in negative sign. Minus 1 into minus 16 is plus 16. Next, minus 1 whole to the power 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Even number. Even number you will be getting plus sign. Plus 1 into minus 4. Answer is minus 4. Minus 1 whole to the power 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Odd number. Minus 1 whole to the power 5 minus 1. Minus 1 into 14 minus 14. Minus 1 whole to the power 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Minus 1 whole to the power 4. You will be getting, it is an even number, so you will be getting 1. 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. Minus 1 whole to the power 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. It is an odd number, you will be getting minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 6 is plus 6. Minus 1 whole to the power 3 plus 3 into 11. So minus 1 whole to the power 3 plus 3 is 6, even number. Positive sign you will be getting. 1 into 11 is 11. That is all about your cofactor.